So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Suraj. So in this video we will learn this type of editing. That's how you can remove and add logo in your images. So must watch this video completely so that you can understand better. Let's get started. Firstly, now copy whatever image you want to edit and click on create new and click on create. Then we'll paste the image by Ctrl V. Okay, let's zoom the image. Now we have to remove this logo, so we will first selection it with the help of lasso tool. Press L for the lasso tool. We will now make a roughly selection on whatever we want to remove. I want to remove this logo. Then press Shift F5 for the fill tool. In contents we will select content aware and hit OK. Simple. Let you can see logo is totally removed. For deselection we need to press Ctrl D for deselection. Now we have put our logo on it, so we have copied the logo and paste here. Okay, then you have adjust the logo according to your I'm adjusting my logo. Then you have to hide your logo by clicking on this I button. Then you have to save as a copy, not save as a copy by opening the file menu and name you keep displacement and make sure type is Photoshop, not JPG, not PNG, only PSD Photoshop, and save it. Done. Once again you open the file menu and open your displacement file. You have to select your photo and click on the filter option, then blur, and choose last one is surface blur. Radius is approximately 16 to 20% and threshold is 150 to 160%, and hit OK. Next press Ctrl S to save the file and close the window. Simple. Done. Unhide your logo layer. Make sure logo is selected and go to filter, then select distort and click displace and hit OK and choose the displacement file. Okay, done. The logo is almost looks good. Now we will do some color grading of the logo. Select logo layer and decrease opacity something 60 to 90% as you wish, and select blend mode to vivid light for lighting, and select logo layer and press Ctrl M for curve tool and adjust lighting. Okay, for last step is color grading. Press Ctrl Alt Shift E. This will merge your all layers, converted them into a separate layer. Now you can adjust your image separately. Press Ctrl U for hues and saturations. Adjust lighting your according for final touch. Adjusting okay, and done. If you learned something from this video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.